Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss WH words, which are essential for forming questions in English. These words help us gather information about people, things, times, places, reasons, choices, possessions, and methods. Each WH question word serves as a unique purpose in gathering specific types of information. Understanding and using these words correctly helps in forming clear and precise questions. Who, what, when, where, why, which, whom, whose, and how are the common WH words. Now we will discuss the first WH word, who. It is used to ask about a person or people. For example, who is your teacher? Asks for the name of the teacher. And who are you meeting today? It inquires about the person you will meet. What is used to ask about things or activities. For example, what is your favorite color? What are you doing right now? When. It is used to ask about time. For example, when is your birthday? When will the meeting start? Where. We will use where to ask about a place or location. For example, where do you live? Where is the nearest hospital? Why? It is used to ask about reasons or causes. For example, why are you late? Why did you choose this school? Which? It is used to ask about choices or options. For example, which dress do you like the best? Which way should we go? Whom. It is used to ask about the object of an action, more formal and less commonly used in everyday conversations. Whom did you invite to the party? Whom are you going to hire for the job? Who versus whom. Who is used as a subject of a sentence, while whom is used as the subject of a verb or preposition. For example, who is calling? It's a subject. And to whom should I address the letter? It's the object. Whose. Whose is used to ask about possession or ownership. For example, whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? The next and last word is how. How is used to ask about the manner, condition or degree. While it doesn't start with WH, it functions similarly in forming questions. For example, how are you? How does this work? And that's a wrap up on today's lesson about WH words. I hope you found this video helpful and now we feel more confident in using these essential question words. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more educational content. Also hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.